Do you need another key or fob for your Buick, or maybe it's a Chevy, GMC, all sorts of different vehicles? Well, at Tom's Key Company, we can help you get extras made and avoid the high cost dealerships like to charge. I'm Mike. You can come visit our website, tomskey.com, where you can pick up a kit that has everything you need to make a key for your vehicle right at home. Super easy and quick. Let me show you how we're going to use this universal remote kit and how you can use the Key by Photo service from Tom's Key Company to get another key and remote for your vehicle. Let me show you how easy it is to get this done. First, let's dive into programming the universal remote. Got the instructions and the remote. We have instructions in both English and Spanish here. Be ready to use the remote. So it's important, this has the usual lock, unlock, there's an alarm, there's a trunk button, and then there's this 1 and 2. That'll cover other features like a remote start, for example. Find your vehicle on the table, and you need to write down 2 things. The activation code, which for this 2010 Buick Enclave is 551. The pair code, 24. All right, now we get our universal remote. So a few vehicles have 2 activation codes. If the first one you try doesn't work, then you want to move on to the second. Now there's a few steps to activate this remote so it's functioning like your original remote. In this case, this 2010 Buick Enclave has panic, rear hatch open, unlock, lock, and remote start. So we're going to have all those same features here. Okay, you might need to get in a dark place. Remember, the code for my vehicle is 551. You're going to enter whatever code's applicable for your vehicle. To begin, press panic and this function number 1 button at the same time. The blue light turns on. Then use lock for the first digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Use unlock for the second digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And use trunk for the last digit. 1. Now I'm going to push panic and function 1 once again. Now watch it blink back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause. 1. Okay, this remote is now activated to match the functions of the 2010 Buick Enclave. First, I'll show you how to use these pairing codes, but they don't work on this particular vehicle I'm working on. So that's where this other trick comes in, which if your vehicle is equipped, will make it even easier. What you're going to do is look around and see if you have an icon like this. This is a vehicle information system. You're going to need the check mark, and you're going to need that. And if you don't have this, but you have an odometer reset button, usually a little knob sticking out up on the dashboard, you can push that instead of this button. So here we go. Take my working key, turn it 2 clicks to the on position, and then I'm going to push this vehicle information button. As you push the button, and again, if you don't have a button, push the odometer reset button, usually up on the dash here. Watch it cycle through different options up here. One of these is press the check mark to relearn the remote key. So now I'm going to push the check mark. Remote key learning active. So with it in remote key learning mode, I'm going to press and hold down lock and unlock for every remote I have, both new ones and old ones. Let's start with the new one. I'm going to hold it for about 15 seconds. All right, did you hear it beep? This one's good. Now we got to take our other existing working one. I'm going to hold lock and unlock again up to 15 seconds. Listen for the beep. Okay, there it was. So both of these are now activated. I'm going to push the check mark. All right, now I've exited the relearning mode. Now we can turn off the ignition. Make sure you've taken the key out of the ignition. Let's try our remotes. Here's the new one. Lock, unlock. Good. Let's try the old one. Lock, unlock. Okay. Okay, let's try the rear hatch button now. Okay, worked on that one. Let's close it with the old one. Okay, there we go. works on the old one. Now to test it, I got to get on, put the key in as if I'm driving, turn the engine off. Okay, there we go. Let's try the remote start with this new one. Lock the doors. I'm going to press a couple times and hold the number 1 button. There we go. Start it up. So now we've got the new remote activated, paired, and ready to go for this 2010 Buick Enclave. Let me show you how easy it is to use our key by photo service and make yourself another key, because it'll arrive cut and ready to be programmed to your vehicle. First, when you order things on the website, be sure you order the key by photo. That key by photo will cut the key to fit your vehicle. Then you're going to use our key by photo service. Take the key off the key ring, come hold your phone right above it, and upload 3 pictures. We want to make sure it's well lit and that the phone is directly above the key while you take the photos, so we can properly determine how to cut your key using our key by photo technology. With the fob made, we're ready to program your new key. Now, unfortunately, the keys I needed for this vehicle didn't arrive before I had to make the video. So I'm going to show you how easy it is by just putting in video from a Chevy Silverado. It's the very same process for this Buick Enclave and for a lot of other GM, Buick, Chevy, anything in that whole range of vehicles. So let me cut to that. Now first, to program the key, there's an instruction manual here, both in English and Spanish. You want to look through until you find your particular vehicle. In this case, we're doing a 2008 Chevy Silverado. So we need to follow the instructions right here under what's called panel number 2. And so it's going to walk us through each of the steps to pair this simple key, this new one that has to be cut before you can program it, with your vehicle. Now it's important to note that you need one working key in order to program another one. So if you don't have a working key, we can't help you out until you get one that works for your vehicle. First, you're going to take your original key, put in the engine, and start it. Okay, now there's some timing sensitivities here. We're going to turn the engine off, and then within 5 seconds, we're going to take the new key, put it in, turn it to the on or run position. Do not start the engine. Now watch the security light. Did you see it turn off there? With the key programmed, it'll now start the engine. Okay, so that's how easy it is to make additional car keys and remote fobs for your vehicle. So come visit tomskey.com today and place an order. It'll show up in a few days, and using our key by photo service, your new key will arrive already cut to fit your vehicle so you can program it along with your new remote. Please subscribe to this channel so you're ready to follow along with the video when your new key and fob arrive in the mail. But leave a comment. Let people know how much money you saved by using Tom's Key Company. We do appreciate letting folks know about our great customer service and that we have a full money back guarantee. So if this doesn't work for your vehicle, don't worry about it. Reach out to us, help@tomskey.com. If we can't solve the problem, ship it all back and you get a full refund. You're out nothing. We look forward to helping you get new keys and remotes for your vehicle and save a bunch of money over the cost of a car dealership. Thanks and have a great day.